Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make money while you sleep, yes, literally, then you're going to love today's video. We're diving into 3 awesome ways to earn passive income online, whether you're a creative, a techie, or somewhere in between. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's get into it. First up, digital products. This is hands down one of the most beginner-friendly ways to earn passive income. Think ebooks, templates, planners, printables, online courses, even digital art or music loops. The best part? You create it once, and you can sell it over and over again. If you love photography or videography, why not turn that hobby into passive income? Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pexels let you upload your work and earn royalties every time someone downloads it. What's in demand? Business-related imagery, diverse people and cultures, lifestyle and travel, background videos for YouTube creators. The key is consistency. Upload regularly, tag your content well, and think like a marketer. What would someone need for their website, ad, or blog post? Turn simple ideas into powerful tools. Alright, this one's for the tech-savvy folks, or anyone willing to collaborate with a developer. Creating an app or software tool can be a game changer. Think of simple tools that solve specific problems. It doesn't have to be the next Facebook or Instagram. In fact, the most successful apps often serve niche audiences. For example, a fitness coach creates a custom meal planning app. A writer builds a distraction-free writing tool. A small business owner makes a basic inventory tracker, monetize it through subscriptions, one-time purchases, or even freemium models where advanced features are paid. And there you have it. Create and sell digital products. Build an app or software. Sell stock photography or videos. Each of these takes some upfront work, but once it's out there, it can generate income for months or even years. So, which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. There is a link below to my blog for more passive income ideas and tips. If you found this helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. Until then, keep building, keep dreaming, and keep creating that freedom lifestyle. And I'll catch you in the next one.